Here we have the Rii Bluetooth Keyboard. It's a portable mini wireless keyboard. It has the QWERTY configuration, so it's just like a larger keyboard. And you have two options. You can either connect via Bluetooth or via USB wireless. So in the back here, where we have the battery, we also have this USB dongle. So you plug this into your device, into your PC or whatever you're plugging it into, and you can connect via wireless. Or if you have a Bluetooth receiver in your device, say your computer or mobile phone or a tablet, then you can connect it via Bluetooth, which is nice and simple. So it has standard keyboard here. You have all of the F keys, the function keys, and then in the middle, you have a touchpad, just like on a laptop, so you can control your mouse cursor with this one, and you can tap for left click, you can two finger for right click, or scroll with two fingers up and down, and it's printed here to let you know, so you don't forget. Then you also have left mouse button and right mouse button here, and you have a scroll wheel that you can access with your thumb very easily, and then you have a D-pad. So you can move around with that and the OK key there, which is really handy for navigating menus. Now personally, I use this for two things. I connect it to my smart TV, so I can control things like Netflix and searching for movies and whatnot. It's a lot easier typing with this. Like say you bring up the YouTube app on your TV, you don't want to be trying to type on your remote controller. This is far, far quicker, far easier. But I also use this connected to a Raspberry Pi. One of those is for a multimedia server and the other is for an emulation station, and it works really, really well for both of those. It's super small, you know, a little bit bigger than a mobile phone, but nice and thin and super light. It has a rechargeable battery inside that charges by micro USB. Now, I would prefer it if that was USB-C, but hey, we can't have everything. This is a really cool device. So if you're looking for a small wireless Bluetooth or USB keyboard that's ultra portable, then I highly recommend the Rii. Enjoy.